Jean styles and colors are really endless. Many different jean brands now offer far more than the standard, boot cut, or wide leg varieties. You can easily find jeans for any event or fit. Bell-bottoms or flare jeans are available again along with high-waisted and skinny jeans. We welcome you to Item Finder Ville. We search and find the products for your need. We do the hard work. So, you can sit back, relax and select what you really like. Women joggers jeans, high-waisted denim pants for women, stretchy jeans pants. Elastic waist drawstring, two-side functional pockets, elastic ankle cuffs. Casual stretch jeans for women, pull-on closure, high-waisted jeans, relaxed fit. Women high-waist jogger jeans comes with elastic waistband and adjustable drawstring design. Jogger pants for women. Casual stretchy jeans, two-side functional pockets which can hold some small things, such as keys, cell phones, etc. Elastic ankle cuffs, basic denim pants. Pull-on closure. Stretchable and comfortable to wear. Suitable for spring, fall, winter, casual daily wear or going out, work, etc. Styled with your T-tops or cardigan coat for a trendy ensemble. Blue skinny juniors. Flattering perfect rise comfort waistband with comfy cute and stretchy denim jeans fabrics that are high quality, durable and lasting in fit and color wash after wash. Real denim not cheap legging or jeggings vintage rips, tears, scratches and distressing treatment. Stone washed acid rinse for that classic true blue original denim jeans color and vibrant shine. Cover girl fashion apparel jeans for women, ladies and teens. Great for casual outerwear or exotic clubwear. Cute and flattering with a touch of fancy. Our selection of skinny, great for all seasons and occasions. Perfect match with jeans and other outfits. Basic 5-pocket skinny jeans for girls. High-waist jeans skinny stretch ripped. Soft, lightweight, stretchy, breathable and durable features. High waist, denim destroyed, skinny leg, zipper closure, long pants, button-down classic denim, 4 pockets at front and back, slim fit. Women high-waist skinny stretch ripped jeans destroyed denim pants. Super stretchy material ensures a perfect curve conforming fit for every build. Stretches like a jegging with a feel, look and durability of real denim. Jeans allow for up to an additional 2 to 2.5 inches of stretch at waistband and hips. Wear this pair with a favorite top and any shoes you like. A casual women's young contemporary fit that goes with anything. Fitted through the top of body and thigh. Oh, you will love our bluish skinny ripped and destroyed jean every inch, every angle. Designed with butt lifting and body shaping patterns to provide a better butt. They were a little lighter than I was hoping for but still very cute and comfy and fit perfect. They are very comfortable and super cute. I love the stretch fabric. They are nice and tight at the ankles but fit well in the waist, hips and thighs. Lined pockets for storing a variety of electronic devices or everyday items such as cell phones, keys, coin purses, etc. Ripped knee denim leggings. Casual jean pull-on legging with comfortable stretch, naturally placed rips at knees and thighs. Functional back pockets. Hue ripped knee denim leggings offer a rugged yet trendy look, with naturally placed rips at the knees and thigh. The stretchy cotton blend fabric on these genuine, denim leggings creates a custom weaving for durability, keeping the ripped design intact through wash and wear. Features a raw-edged bottom hem. From its modest beginnings over 4 decades ago, Hue is constantly creating, rethinking and innovating fashion. It where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Jeans with hole. With a small leg opening that provides the ultimate snug fit, Resfeber's skinny jeans are styled to make a travel statement. Soft and breathable denim material keeps you feeling 100% comfy. Flattering, clean lines fit close from hips through thighs and finish with a skinny leg. Fashionable designer jeans that makes you look and feels amazing. Ultra slim cut hugs your body close from hips to ankles. Guaranteed to turn a few heads. Resfeber's skinny jeans are styled to make a travel statement, whether you're journeying far from home or just around the corner. Chic jacket with the jeans if you're going out, vintage feel and stylish look. Casual tees or sweatshirt with fashion boots is also perfect for you to wear it. Also, heels will make you more elegant. Resfeber celebrates exploration, from unboxing a pair of jeans to hopping on a plane to the next adventure. Every day is an unknowable journey. But with Resfeber, you're always good to go. Classic 5 pockets, zip fly with button closure. Stretchy, ripped holes, slim through hip and thigh with a skinny leg. Made of soft denim cotton fabric, even after repeated wearing, this denim stays true to original form. Distressed design. Hug your curves for a perfect fit, highlighting your silhouette and keeping you chic. Thank you so much for supporting Item Finder Ville. Please don't forget to like and share. And follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and Pinterest.